So, hi friends, and I hope you're all doing good. So this is not just okay. Now, if you see the market, what has market done today? Okay, market has opened a gap down, 25 749. It has opened 25 626, and now has been trading, making a low and comes up and then low. Now, what is why our view we have shared some time back 25 350 is a possibility which we have shared some time back. Okay, and let's see what are the stocks we traded today. Okay, we have of course added HDFC Bank. Yeah, Bajaj Finance good to add for swing. SBIC triggered. So and hold P with SL cost Nifty and Bank Nifty. This was my view today. 25 600 put. Okay, the WhatsApp is not working correctly. So anyway, 600 put from 100, 115, and then we said hold SL with cost. LTF we took 9.2, hit easily 14. Indigo call we took, we already hit the targets, we close the trade. ICICI also close the trade. You can check the. Okay, let me share. Let me anyways show it to you. This is the put. It what was today is 19. Our entry was somewhere at 12 and done. Okay. Now, what about is Indigo? Okay, let's look at Indigo as well because people tend to ask questions whether, sir, did it hit top loss, all that. So let us check. Okay. So what was the entry? Somewhere at 100. It had hit 122. Okay. Again a re-entry. It hit 118. Anyway. And what was the other one? LTF 295 put. Okay. This also we have shared it around 9:30 somewhere. Already done. Sorry, 295. Yeah, 295. 912 targets. Okay, 9 was the entry. Correct. Target was 12. What is the lot size? 2,250. So around 2 3 points with 4,000 5,000 rupees. Done. Okay. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. What was the view we shared? Bank Nifty we mentioned. Okay, let's go. Sell Nifty futures. Okay, 59 950, 59 600. Okay, have it done. 950 somewhere here. Sell somewhere here. Sorry, 950. Okay, even if you're shorted here, 660 was the target. 700 is done. And let's look at Nifty. And I remember this was 600 or 700. Sorry, 600 sell. 530. Okay, 530 first target. 460 not yet done. Okay, so almost both are our targets are done, and we've been on the put side, majorly on the put side. I said 25. What was the first trade? 25 600 put. Correct. I'll just copy paste. I'm not doing anything. About 192 120. Correct. Options 650 put. Okay. 92 entry, re-entry somewhere here. 120 140 done. Okay. Also 25. Anyway, 550 also put I had shared. Now, coming to our target of If you see the charts, $350 is my target. This chart was shared some long back, not now. Okay, may make it bigger for you. 350 is the target, somewhere here. Okay, this chart was shared long back. This was what I shared, I think. Very clearly we had mentioned, let's look at Nifty. I think you get half. Nifty, you see, all red sell here, and 380, 400, 125 next target. This is the spot chart. Okay, so very clearly we are on the sell side. You see what is happening? This this candle market, yes, many got trapped here in this loss. And today what happened? All in short. Here also, in fact, morning we had 25,750 put, we had written, then 25,850 call we wrote. Both gave 50 points easily. This is Friday market. This is today market, right? What is the target we have mentioned? 350. Now, are we heading this target? This is not the first video. In the previous video also, if you go check, you will clearly see the target mentioned. Now, why we are expecting this target? It's a chart. If you see the chart, we have clearly mentioned market looks to go up but comes down. Looks to go up and then comes down. Exactly what it has been doing now. Now, am I bullish on HDFC Bank? Yes. If you see my chart, I was expecting 920 levels, right? If you have remember, somewhere here, yeah, it is somewhere here now. So as for me, there should be a good support zone. The next support zone will be this 890. Okay, 890. This will be the next support zone or next buying area. I mean to say, I want to say support zone. It's a very incorrect word from my end. It's a good buying area. Okay, this this is a gap, gap which has getting filled now, right? And it's a strong buying area. Or rather, I would look to buy here these levels. What will be my target? My target will be more than 1,100. Okay, for a long term, not just it's not a intraday where I will be looking at. We are not buying a large cap for a small profit. We are looking at a bigger targets. Are we looking at Reliance buy? Let us see. At the moment, if you see this chart, I think Reliance is breaking out this trend line. So a little caution, you know. I will, even if it retraces back, I will again look to sell. All right. What am I saying? I will look for selling. What about Infosys? Infosys looks pretty okay. Every dip of Infosys, I might think of buying. Now it is gap up last week. If it falls down like this, I will again look to buy here. Okay. How about Indigo? Indigo looks to form like a W, a double bottom. Okay. Let's look at, yeah, and it is taking a proper support at the monthly. So it is taking, I'm not saying it will take. Okay. But if you look at other factors, let us see. Okay. What will be my target? You see, it has moved already 196 points. So around another 100 points or 90 points, I would easily see here. Okay, this will be my first target, and second will be somewhere 5,200 levels, 5,180, 150 levels. Okay, there'll be see, you will not go straight up like this. People think, oh, I've given a target tomorrow next to this expiry, it will go like this here. That's a very false assumption people have. It will retrace. There is this gap here. It may come fill this gap and go up also, right? So why am I given this target? Is it based on charts alone? No, there are various factors I'm sharing. So that part, if you want to know, understand, you have to spike jet. Yeah, my kind of I'm stuck in this now. But anyways, our buying level is somewhere at 26. I was expecting at least this level. It will come to 30, 35. But on a long-term perspective, if you see, what does SpiceJet do? It comes to this low of somewhere of 18 to 25 and then moves up to 90, 100. So it is done not already. If you see, it is done how many times? I'll show you. This has been the character of this stock right from 2000 onwards, 2004 onwards. Okay, so right now also, but it is still not formed that pattern to move up. It may come still further down and then move up. So I will look to exit at these levels, 80 to 100. Okay, I'm not looking at 200 triangle. Somewhere 80 to 100, 120, I will exit. I'll start booking. Right now, my other favorite stock is Jubilant. Let us see what is happening. Jubilant. Okay, let us see. Okay, I think already I have put the range. So it is stuck in this range. I think it will go up, will be followed. So right now it is in the sell side. Okay, there's nothing big which is happening. Though primarily I bought it at 560 levels and my stop loss hit. So now I realized that so I'm on the whenever an opportunity is this night or intraday, I'm buying puts and making profit in this. All right. This is the status of Jubilant Food. So if you want us to share any views on stocks, please do put your questions on the chat box. Okay. On any stock, please feel free to ask. Okay. We will try and analyze and share. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Good short covering rally started off. Nice. So I have already shared one call side. Let us see 25,550 above 84. I will look at 120. 550. Now that Bank Nifty is pulling, I am looking at Nifty as well. 25,550 call above 84. Still not active. Is it 550? Yeah, 550. Oh. So let us see. Okay, it's still not active, but yeah, we will look to buy this once it comes. At the moment, is put active? No. 71, 550 is running it. 71. I'm not looking for this now. Okay. Because, but yeah, if I would ask, if you ask my view, there is a possibility that it may go back, hit this level and come down also. Okay. So we will see how it works. At the moment, neither the call, neither the put is active for me. Okay. So we'll wait. Patience is the key in any market. people somehow are very, what do you say, bullish. They're expecting, uh, but looking at this move and looking at this Bank Nifty, so there's a chance of a short covering. Okay, Bank Nifty is pulling up, so let's look at Bank Nifty options. 59,800 call. Let us see 427 it is running. Let us see. Let us see. Bank Nifty. So slowly it is. There is a pullback, but not very confident to go long still. Okay. Nifty is pretty weak, right? So we will wait for confirmation and then we will trade. We don't want to hurry up and then get stuck. Just by seeing the green candles, we cannot trade. The data has to confirm. Right now, my data is still not, you know, give me any confirmation. So there is only that, there could be a possibility of short covering. Uh, but that short covering rally confirmation is yet to be, no, got. See, now there is short covering. The short cover is not good enough. Okay. As I mentioned, no confirmed trade in the long side. Of course, market is very, what do you say, can always come back here and then bounce back, but it is not done that. And moreover, if you see Nifty is just going down, right? 25,550. Uh, he has to cross 90. Sorry, 25 550 call above 84, put above 86. Okay, so put is still not cross 86. We will watch, and I'm not so confident once it is done, but right now if you see it is slightly range boundish. Let me add 550 call and put. Okay, it's almost active. 86 is my entry. I'm not seeing a great momentum, but nevertheless, we can still add and keep a stop loss at 80. So 86, 87. Hmm. Oh, let's add Bank Nifty futures, right? Where is Bank Nifty? Okay. Hmm. A lot of what do you say, volatility, up and down, up and down. That actually is low market. You have to keep a small stop loss and exit, but look for a bigger target. Otherwise, you'll be stuck. See, 86 our entry, 82 it has come, 81. As I was mentioning, it is not that big momentums are coming. Okay. Bank Nifty is just, gaming around. And Nifty is also kind of stuck. But yeah, 10 to 15 points in Nifty is not a difficult task. Already we traded a couple of puts and booked profit. It's a very range ball, right? Goes up, down. So very tough. If you have a small SL, you're okay. Otherwise, it's going to be tough day. Anyway, we almost done good profit so far. I think time to close.